We live in a world suffering from a dangerous disease, the dictatorships of emotion. Today, it is often enough for someone to say, "That's how I feel," for a claim to be treated as unquestionable truth. If you feel offended, you must be right. If something hurts your feelings, it must be removed. The subjective emotion of the individual have increasingly become the highest authority in modern society, while cold objective logic is frequently portrayed as the enemy because it supposed lacks compassion. The truth, however, is quite different. Logic is not the enemy of humanity, it's one of its greatest safeguards. Remove logic from the equation, and what remains is a chaos. Emotions are by nature unstable, impulsive, and highly susceptible to manipulation. Whoever controls your emotions controls your life. Just look at media, politics, and marketing. Increasingly, they do not appeal to reason. They do not present evidence or encourage careful analysis. Instead, they offer fear, outrage, tribal loyalty, and instant, more certainly, the goal is simple: bypass critical thinking and trigger an emotion reaction. A person who reacts purely from emotion is far easier to influence than one who thinks critically. This where logic become your shield. Logic teach you ask a simple powerful question. If A is true, does B necessary follow? It forces you to look behind appearances and examine causes, consequences, and contradictions. When someone argues that morality is measured by success, logic reminds you of history's most powerful rules, and corrupt leaders as immediately expose the flaw in the reasoning. When someone claims that a complex outcome requires no cause, logic compels you to examine the chain of causality before accepting the conclusion. Logic protects you from becoming part of a crowd that accepts every idea placed before it without question. Having logic does not mean becoming an emotional machine. It means maintaining control over your mind. It means being able to say, "I understand how you feel, but your conclusion does not necessarily follow from that feeling." Modern society often rewards impulsive reaction because impulsive people are easier to influence, easier to market to, and easier to persuade. Reintroducing logic into your life is in many ways an act of independence. Question information, look for evidence, examine causes and effects, challenge assumptions. Emotions are there to help you experience life. Reason and logic are there to help you navigate it.